Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can solve laggy videos while you are editing on CapCut PC. So you are going to simply select the modify button, which is right here. Do not click on anything, do not click on the text or the clips because it won't show up. So just click on the timeline itself. Select modify and go to the performance button. Make sure you have the proxy enabled. Turn on proxy to speed up editing and video quality won't be affected. It's just how you guys will preview the video, but again, once you've exported it, it will look good. So enable it and make sure you choose the lowest resolution as well, so that it will solve your laggy problems even more. And those are basically the kind of stuff I can give. I know some PCs and stuff aren't compatible, but you need a better PC to do so because it is editing videos. So make sure you keep that in mind, that this will not work for everyone. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!